Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. VerifyiQ is the premier practice management solution for the modern accounting firm using QuickBooks Online or Xero. Welcome to our setup series. Here we will be discussing your frequently asked questions.
In today's video, I will show admins how to enable or disable two-factor authentication for all of their users. After logging in, you will be here on the main page, the Clients tab. Please go to the top right-hand corner and click on the gear icon. After that, you will be able to see your company settings, then click on two-factor authentication. Once the pop-up box appears, you will be able to either enable or disable two-factor authentication. Once you have made your selection, please click Save Settings. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please click to subscribe to our channel so you will be notified of any new videos. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section down below, and we will do our best to answer them as quickly as possible.
Thank you. I'm DMac from VerifyiQ.